Nature Genetics is changing the way I look because they gave me this for example of vitamins. So this bottle here is supports hair, skin, and nails, and it's enough for a month. It has 11 ingredients that promote healthy hair, and all you have to do is take two of these a day, and they don't have an aftertaste. And after that, I feel that my hair is very conditioned, very smooth. Also, it supports your nails, your skin. So this is actually one of my favorite things to do in the morning. I like to use it in the morning, preferably with a meal. And I like it that it's vegan, non-GMO, it's good for all hair types, and it doesn't have any sugars. So if you're looking for something that can support your overall beauty, then Nature Genetics has it for you. Has this beautiful bottle that has great things to offer. Thank you for watching.